Arnhold family in memory of Henry and Clarice Arnhold. The Fairweather Foundation, the Kate W. Cassidy Foundation, Sue and Edgar Wackenheim III, Kathy Chow and Ken Howe, Charles Rosenblum, Sarah and Sandra Liu in memory of Sung and Dorothy Liu. The Philemon M. D'Agostino Foundation, the Lillian Goldman Charitable Trust, the Greg Peters Muncie's Foundation, Koo and Patricia Ewan, committed to bridging cultural differences in our communities. Arlene and Milton D. Berkman. Sandra Atlas Bass. Funding for this episode was provided by Nature is also made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.